Okay, hello, here's a few tips how to install the leather carry handle for Brompton bicycles. So first what you want to do, start with these two snaps. What I like to do, I like to start from the top, make sure I press the leather around the frame, and once I get to the bottom, I kind of force the bottom snap against the frame and the top one on top of each other, and then I press down. I do the same thing with these. Now what I like to do, kind of center it, so the hole goes around this bottom part of the frame, and you do the same thing with these two. I like to start with this one, kind of move it a little bit to the back so I have more space here. Make sure I put them on top of each other, then press down. Then you move it a little further forward, and you do the same thing with this one. And there you go.